Are you a part of the tired club? You know, the one where you're constantly hitting snooze, feeling groggy all day, and secretly plotting your next caffeine fix. This will surprise you, but millions of people struggle with sleep issues. In fact, studies show that about one-third of adults don't get enough sleep. Surprised? That's a staggering number, isn't it? It's time to reclaim your nights and transform those restless hours into rejuvenating sleep. So, let's dive straight in. Hey there, I'm Nidhi and welcome to my corner of the internet. So let's first understand the science behind sleep. Sleep isn't just about rest. It's when your body and brain undergo essential repairs. You see, while you slumber, your brain processes information, consolidating memories and even boosting your immune system. But did you know your subconscious mind stays active while you're sleeping? This means your final thoughts before you drift off can significantly impact your sleep quality. Have you ever woken up feeling anxious after scrolling through your social media feed before you went to bed? Well, that is a prime example of your subconscious at work. You see, studies have shown that lack of sleep can lead to a host of health problems, including increased risk of heart disease, obesity, and diabetes. According to the CDC, adults need at least 7 hours of sleep per night, but many people fall short of this recommendation. So here are some simple things you can do to get better quality sleep. Number 1, creating your sleep sanctuary. Establish a bedtime routine. Create a calming pre-sleep ritual to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This could be something like taking a warm bath or reading a book or just simply practicing gentle yoga stretches. Or you could try the digital detox. You see, the blue light in our phones or the ones emitted by our screen, they interfere with our sleep. So a phone ban at least an hour before bed would be good. But if you must use your phone, turn on the blue light filter. Research from Harvard shows that blue light exposure before bed can suppress the production of melatonin, the hormone that's responsible for regulating sleep. Another thing to try is to optimize your bedroom. Ensure your room is dark, quiet, and cool for optimal sleep conditions. Some studies suggest that using warm colors such as soft reds and oranges in your bedroom can actually help create a calming environment that is conducive to sleep. Additionally, blackout curtains can be very effective in keeping your room dark. The final thing you could try is aromatherapy and soundscapes. You see, some people find certain scents or sounds particularly relaxing. Lavender, chamomile, and sandalwood are known for their sleep-inducing properties. Listening to calming music or white noise can also massively help you in drifting off more easily. The second type of thing you can do to help you with sleep is mindfulness and relaxation. You see, practicing mindfulness and relaxation techniques can work wonders. Try meditation, deep breathing, or progressive muscle relaxation to calm your mind and your body. Gratitude journaling can also massively help you shift your focus to positive aspects of the day, therefore reducing anxiety and promoting a more restful sleep. Meditation is definitely helpful in getting you better quality sleep. There are apps like Headspace, Calm, and perhaps many others that offer guided meditations specifically designed to help you sleep. There's also a guided meditation video on my channel that I'm going to link in the description box below that you could check out for helping you with deep sleep and relaxation. Research shows that regular meditation can reduce insomnia and it can improve your overall sleep quality. Some other things you can try is deep breathing exercises. You see techniques such as the 4-7-8 method. So inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. It can help reduce stress and it can prepare your body for sleep. The third type of thing you could do to help you sleeping better is to actually prioritize your sleep hygiene. You see, consistent sleep schedule, a balanced diet, and regular exercise contributes to better sleep. So avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to your bedtime. Make sure you have a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. You see, this helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. The next thing to consider is actually your diet. Studies suggest that foods that are rich in magnesium, such as almonds, bananas, and turkey, they can actually promote better sleep. Additionally, avoiding caffeine and alcohol in the evening can prevent disruptions in your sleep cycle. The next one is exercise. You see, regular physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. However, try to avoid vigorous exercise close to bedtime, as it may actually interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Improving your sleep quality is not just about getting more hours of rest. It's about creating an environment and routine that promotes restful, rejuvenating sleep. By understanding the science behind sleep and implementing these simple strategies, you can transform your nights from restless to restful. Remember, your health and well-being start with a good night's sleep. Well, that's it for this video. This video was actually a request from one of my viewers, so I hope I've been able to deliver what you wanted. If you would like me to cover any other topics, please feel free to put them in the comment section below, and I will do my best to cover them in my upcoming videos. If you like this video, please like, share, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Your subscription costs you nothing, but it helps small channels and content creators like me to grow on YouTube. Well, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.